Okay, there we go.
Well, I thought it was going to be a spike.
Well, if you can't beat them, then join them.
Italy, what are you doing?
Join America! Oh my god, is that a focus?
America's coming to get me!
Oh, there we go.
This is actually really fun.
What have I done? Italy!
By the way, Germany, you're welcome. This was all my idea.
You're not the real Germany.
Watch that Italian ass walk away.
What are you doing?
Italy, you know England turned me into a woman.
But they don't want you to be a woman.
By the way, I'm recording this.
Italy!
It's okay. I got this magical wig that will turn you into a man.
BRB dying.
BRB dying!
Speaking of dying, there goes America.
What?
Hey America, you should dance for me. On my lap.
Are we dancing?
Yes, we're dancing. Oh my god, this is great. Yeah, Italy. Yeah, Italy. You know, Italy, you should dance just like that, but on my lap.
Yeah, I need more of this.
Yeah, we're in Germany's house, so I've spiked everyone's drink, including America's Coke.
You missed it, Jen. What?
Nothing. Love you, pork chop. Hi, Mom. How do you stop recording?